In this video, we are going to find the value of some interesting mathematical expressions step by step, using the correct order of operations. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and get started. First problem. We are given a fraction, 2 divided by 4, all over 2 times 4. Now, instead of writing it like that, we can rewrite it clearly using brackets. So we have open bracket 2 divided by 4, close bracket, then divided by open bracket 2 times 4, close bracket. Now, let's apply the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponents, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. We always saw parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. So here, we start with the parentheses. Inside the first bracket, we have 2 divided by 4, which simplifies to 1 over 2. Inside the second bracket, we have 2 times 4, which equals 8. So now the expression becomes 1 over 2 divided by 8. Next, we apply the KCF rule. Keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second number. So this becomes 1 over 2 times 1 over 8. Multiplying the numerators gives 1, and multiplying the denominators gives 16. So the final answer is 1 over 16. Now, before we move to the next problem, if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Let's continue. Second problem. We have 8 divided by 2, then multiplied by 1 over 2. Some people cancel quickly and get the wrong answer, but we must follow the correct order. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we move from left to right. First, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then 4 times 1 over 2 equals 4 over 2, which simplifies to 2. So the correct answer is 2. Third problem. We have 2 squared divided by 4, then multiplied by 6 plus 4. Again, we follow PEMDAS. First, handle the parentheses. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now the expression becomes 2 squared divided by 4 times 10. Next, handle the exponent. 2 squared equals 4. So now we have 4 divided by 4 times 10. Next, division and multiplication from left to right. For divided by 4 equals 1. Then 1 times 10 equals 10. So the final answer is 10. Last problem. We have 3 plus 3 times 3 divided by 3. Many people rush and get this wrong, but let's do it step by step. First, rewrite it properly. 3 plus open bracket 3 times 3, close bracket, then divided by 3. Inside the bracket, we do multiplication first. 3 times 3 equals 9. So now we have 3 plus 9 divided by 3. Next, perform a division. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now we have 3 plus 3, which equals 6. So the correct final answer is 6. And that's it. The key lesson here is simple. Always follow the order of operations. Never rush. That's where most mistakes happen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.